Tired of wrestling with your Gusto Payroll login? We are here to walk you through accessing your Gusto Payroll account quickly and easily. Let's jump right in. First, navigate to the Gusto website, usually found at Gusto.com. Look for the login button. It's typically located in the upper right-hand corner of the homepage. Go ahead and click on it. You'll now be on the login page. Here you'll see two fields, one for your email address and one for your password. Enter the email address you used when setting up your Gusto account, and then type in your password. Before clicking the sign in button, you might see a checkbox labeled Remember Me if you're on a personal device. Checking this box can save you time in the future, but be cautious when using a public or shared computer, as that can be a security risk. Once you've entered your credentials and made your choice about the Remember Me option, click the Sign In button to access your account. Congratulations! You've successfully logged into your Gusto Payroll account. You should now see your dashboard displaying your payroll information and options. What if you've forgotten your password? No problem. On the login page, look for the Forgot Password link. It's usually located below the password field. Click on it. You will be directed to the password reset page. Enter the email address associated with your Gusto account and click the Reset Password button. Gusto will send you an email with instructions on how to reset your password. Follow the link in the email and create a new, secure password. Be sure to use a strong, unique phrase that is easy for you to remember. If you're still having trouble, Gusto provides excellent support. Visit the Gusto Help Center. They offer extensive articles and support options to help you resolve any login issues you might have. And that's it. You now have the tools to confidently log into your Gusto Payroll account and manage your payroll tasks with ease. Be sure to like this video if it helped you and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.